Hello everyone. So my name is Sean. So this is my reflection blog for MMS 100. So just a disclaimer for everyone. I look kinda right now. Hindi ako prepared because that's the purpose of this video. I wanted to make it as natural as possible. Hindi rehearse, walang script, walang anything else. So I'm gonna be saying like my thoughts lang here sa reflection since wala namang guide on what we should do. So I won't be editing this video as well, so I'm not gonna put any sounds or like cut some clips na hindi ko gusto. So wala akong choice, ipupush through ko to kahit anong mangyari. So yun po yung like yung purpose ko today. I want to make it as normal or as natural as possible. So yeah. So, regarding this, I would like to discuss making first impressions since after reading the sub-page section of Mr. Libero's e-portfolio part, yung while introducing yourself in class matters. So I'm just like scared. I'm scared or afraid I did not make the right impression or like with my introduction. So yeah. So I'm like gonna introduce myself again. So I want to introduce myself again. I want to make the right impression with no filter. Walang tamang grammar. Like, hindi tama ang grammar. Ganun. So, yeah, kasi mas natural yung ganun, di ba? Kasi, pwede mo bang itama yung grammar pag yung first impression sa discussion forum? Kasi mahihiya ka na mali grammar mo. So, that's the purpose why I made this. So, I want to make an impression na hindi ako perfect, hindi ako ganyan. So, syempre magme-make tayo ng sa discussion forum natin sa introduction, we would make it as approachable as possible so people can approach us, hindi sila intimidate sa sa mismong introduction mo. So that's what we aim to do with introduction. So in this introduction naman na gagawin ko sa vlog ko ngayon, different siya. I want to show a different side of me that ako, alam mo yun, ako. Kasi feel ko lang, hindi ako yun. I mean, it's part of me, pero hindi super ako. Kasi I didn't show, like, the other side of me na sentimental. So, actually, yun yung inaano ko ngayon sa ina-associate ko sa pagkatao ko, senti. Kasi actually, I left my work last Friday, if that's right. Basta December 6, I left my work kasi we're going to travel outside of the country. Pero parang hindi matutuloy. Pero kasi wala pa kaming visa. So that would be on Wednesday. So it's 15th right now, on December 15th. So Wednesday ang alis namin. Pero hindi matutuloy ata kasi wala kaming visa. So yun. So medyo senti ako doon. And I left my work dahil yun yung reason ko. So maybe redirection lang siya. Kasi medyo naging comfortable ako sa work. Alam mo yun, yung naging comfortable ka naman na parang nasa bahay ka. And for me, comfortable is not a safe place, a right place for me. Because how would you learn if you feel comfortable at that place? You won't learn anything from a place na you're so comfortable with. So actually, iniyakan ko siya sa Egypt na I didn't care what other people would think because umiiyak ako sa Egypt kasi I really love them all of my co-workers. My work is easy, although I worked in BPO industry. It was fun. So yeah, with my introduction, I just wanted to like tell my stories na hindi lang ako yung you would think of me as perfect mayaman person. Pero hindi, wala kaming kaya. That's why I worked for 3 months since I wanted to help my mom. But I wanted to focus more on my studies. That's why, especially this finals, kasi masyadong mabigat. So, I hope I made the right impression right now. So, medyo nun ako kinakabahan. So, I hope after this, you would see a different side of me. That I made the right impression na relatable pala akong tao. Hindi ako yung nasa I mean, I am funny, but I can be different. And being different is okay. Ayun lang. Bye!